So what is going on with gold? And I keep talking about gold non-stop just to arrange the camera. So gold is going to go up, and probably my near-term target is 3.5 and then go to $4,000 an ounce. But that's paper gold. We need to also look at physical gold as more and more confidence is lost in the paper currencies, with China buying, Russia, India, central banks, sovereign funds, and mega banks all buying gold. But the Joe public, the members of the public, are not buying physical gold. What does that say? Well, quite simple. The institutions, what they're trying to do is keep the price down so they can accumulate as much gold as possible. And then Joe public, or the members of the public, will only get an idea of this as gold moves towards the 4,000 level. My real target on gold is about 7,000 in a couple of years, but it could go as high as 10,000. Even if there was a market pullback, gold would fall, and that would be an opportunity to get in. But what about silver? If you're looking at silver, then silver is pushing towards the all-time highs again. Now, we've been buying silver and gold on our gold group, which I run, which we analyze and fundamentals on gold, etc. And they follow my trades. I'm a big buyer of silver, and I reckon silver now is going to push higher and break through the all-time high, not all-time high, the recent high of 34.50, which is the block, and it's the obstacle to pushing up towards $40 a ounce. So once it hits, and once it breaks out of the 34.50, 35 level, then it's going to $40, and it won't touch that again. But why is gold going up, and why is silver going up? And now all of this we will discuss on the webinar on Sunday the 8th of June. If you want to join that webinar, then to DM the word webinar to get a link. But going back to why is gold moving up and why is silver moving up? Well, there's lots of fundamental reasons, not just geopolitical crisis, that Israel versus Iran, there's going to be an issue there. Don't want to say on TikTok, so I'll be banned. But as the other fundamental issues regarding confidence in the currency, regarding interest rates, regarding inflation, regarding overall printing of money, which obviously is going to devalue currencies as we go on. Lower dollar value. Look what Trump wants to do. Trump wants to whack the dollar and reduce its value by around about 10-15%. Can expect the dollar to get weaker. So where are the institutions going? Where are the central banks going? Knowing that the currencies are under pressure. They're going to the metal that holds its value, and that is gold. And that's one of the reasons why gold is rising. So you should really get involved in gold. You obviously can contact me if you want more information. But don't forget, we're running a webinar on Sunday, the 8th of June. If you want to get involved in it, DM